Hey y'all, it's Taste Pink. Welcome back. So I'm here to spill all the tea on the Lulu Tress 3 times fluffy braid out. Now, I'm in love with this hair. It's super sexy. It's sultry. It's like I'm really feeling my inner sexy self. And so the fact that we can level up for just $16 and we can install this style in less than 2 hours, sis, I think you need to hop, skip, and jump on it. I highly recommend this. I think this is so versatile. And one of the things I wanted to do in today's video is give you guys different styling options. Now, I'm someone who is active. I work out with this hair, so I have quite a bit of experience. I want to just give you guys some maintenance, some nighttime routine tips, and then some, techniques for installing your style. Because, girl, I don't need to wear hair long to know like what works, but for this particular style, I would say in the install video, if you haven't watched it, I think you should go check it out. But I mentioned separating the curls because I actually lost 2 pieces of hair playing around. The knot slipped all the way out. Okay, luckily I was home, in the privacy of my own space, so I wasn't embarrassed. But if you don't separate the curls and you try to install it at its full density, girl, you're not going to be slipping all over the place. And one of the things that I noticed, very characteristic of synthetic hair, it clumps together. So the hair at the nape especially is going to clump on itself. So at night or in the morning when I'm refreshing the hair and I just mist it with water, I don't use any mousse. Synthetic hair doesn't absorb product, so you really don't need to do mousse too often. And I just like piece apart the curls so that I get like maximum density. Y'all know I love big hair. When I'm working out, I kid you not, this hair retains water. So if you sweat on your nape, if you sweat on your back, the hair that's sitting there, even though it's 10 inches, is sitting right on the nape. And I sweat profusely when I'm working out, especially weight training, and so the water drips at the ends of the hair. So that's something I was like, I wasn't ready for that. I'm not someone who sweats crazy, but like this hair is super lightweight, but it just retains that moisture, and the fact that it's dripping off the ends, honey, like it gives you very Jerry Curl Juice kind of vibes, coming to America energy. So just be careful. Wear a scrunchie, use a clip. I don't use that because I do the most when I work out and I like to wear my hair down, so I just suffer in peace. That's all. But I think as far as when you go to sleep, use a bonnet. You can use a hairnet. You can just use a scrunchie to do the kind of pineapple method, but just containing the hair is easy. The frizz is going to result more so near like the knots because that's where the most friction is, especially when you're piecing apart the curls. You can always go in with hair shears and strategically cut out frizz that kind of gets on your nerves, but don't do the most, sis. You don't got to worry about that. I definitely think this hair is perfect for the summer, but what I would say is I wish it were a little bit longer just so I can layer it just a little, like I like to be a little bit extra. But for the beginners who don't know how to cut hair, this is the perfect style for you. And if you're trying to level up, if you're trying to be super sexy, if you're trying to feel yourself, if you're pressed for time and you want a new look, I highly recommend it. So again, separate those curls. When you're installing it, make sure that you do your nighttime routine, you separate your curls, and if you work out, a scrunchie or a hair clip of some sort is going to be your friend. But the slay does not have to stop because you get active, so I like that I have that option. Let me know which style is your favorite. Be sure to subscribe, join the family, and let me know when you subscribe so I can give you a nice warm welcome. And be sure to share this with your homeboys, your homegirls. You never know who wants to slay. And definitely give this video a thumbs up and kiki with me in the comments because I want to know what should be my next style. I'm really I'm fiending for some faux locks, but I feel like there might be something else out there. So let me know what you want to see. So let's get into it.
That your love's true, never without you. My heart belongs to you. That's alright with me. Worlds couldn't around me, showing love that I can't see. You and me were meant to be. That's alright with me. Friends come, friends may go. My friend, you with I know. True love for you has shown your own life with me. Through thick and thick to the end, I love you to the end. You know it's true. And you're all right with me. Friends come, friends may go. My friend, you with I know. True love for you has shown you're all right with me. Through thick and thick to the end, I love you to the end. You shine. Make a wish like 3 times. Dreams come true, it's in the mind. That's alright with me. Your wish is my command. Never thought of falling love again with my best friend. That's alright with me. Friends come, friends make friends. My friend, I know. True stuff with you, I'll show you all.